after the 30-mile bike to drive. Going on a neighborhood bike ride. Labor Day, Monday. You'll see this video probably after the bike to drive video, but that's okay. This will be a nice short video, won't be super long. Just bike around the neighborhood. Maybe go do a local trail here. Riding the horrible sidewalks. I hate riding on sidewalks. There's no white lanes here. Just gotta do what I gotta do. We're on the street. We're headed to a local trail, Joliet Junction Trail. See my other videos. Nice trail. It's a nice loop next to a couple other trails. The canal, then by Joliet Junior College. Make a nice little circle today. Going on a bike ride early in the morning. It's probably one of the safest times to go. No traffic. Nobody around. Just you and nature. Get it all out. Relax. Enjoy the bike ride. Without too much distractions. Crossing another intersection. Should be quite easy. Early in the morning. You don't have to stop for traffic. Slow it down both ways. Across the street. What a beautiful day. Clear skies. Sun's coming up. Knock it out. A coyote in the distance running. Early in the morning, you'll see these wildlife. Hopefully he doesn't run after me. I think they keep to themselves. He's gone in those brushes. Now this one's a more busier street. We're still good. Narrow. We'll get a coffee later. Gotta join that sip club. $11.99. Yeah, limited coffees and drinks. Not a bad deal. Beautiful Labor Day. What are your plans for Labor Day? What do you guys do? You had fun? Relax? Party? Still sleeping from the night before? Let me know how you guys' Labor Day went. Yeah. Now we're crossing the infamous I-80 in Joliet. Why is it infamous? Well, they call it a death trap. You see those truckers? It turns a lot here in Joliet. You get some massive, nasty accidents all the time. And a lot of people have died or got injured. Enjoy the sunny view. I mean, look at this place. It's amazing. You got the sun, trees surrounding you. What else do you want? Beautiful day to enjoy. Nothing but whiteys. Nobody on the road. nobody up yet. Nobody on the trails yet. Beautiful day. Enjoy the rays. Sometimes I'll go back to work tomorrow. Can't enjoy the days we're off. We should be on 4 days, 3 days off. Whoever approved this 5-day work BS, 2 days off. Shame. We need more time off. Just now we're headed towards the canal. Relaxation. You don't need to go outside. Just look at this place. Sit down. Decompose of all your negative thoughts. Just relax, you know. This is the place where you can just let it all. Anybody see that huge moon we just had? I mean, until you guys see this video, it'll probably be a month. But yeah, it was pretty amazing to see that massive moon. We still got a couple miles on the canal. And it do still have a couple of rides in before the season ends, you know. It's still good. It's a little bit chilly. But I gotta finish the canal from Woodridge to Willow Springs, and I'm looking forward to that. So that's gonna be coming up on a video. Haven't gotten around to it, so hopefully it happens this year before it gets too cold. Not looking forward to the winters, because then I'll be stuck at the gym biking, and I hate that. I'd rather be out here and bike. It's an hour is nothing biking. An hour at the gym. Oh boy, an hour at the gym is like, it's forcible, you know, and I gotta force myself to concentrate. It's just, I mean, look at this, you just bike around in nature, be out here for hours and not think about it. When you're confined in an air conditioning building, it's just, your whole morale just goes down. For me, now, there's probably other people that rather be inside working out than outside, but working out in nature is way better than being in any place, you know. Just go outside and just do it. If you're scared of people looking at you when you're biking or running or walking, who cares? People are gonna forget you, you know. They'll look at you for a second and then boom, you know, they don't even know who you are. Just go outside and just enjoy the weather before it gets too cold if you live in the upper states, you know. Nobody likes winter. Alright, we're 7 miles in the bike ride and our canal is ending now. This is probably the most dangerous part of the video. I need to go through these roads here. There's no sidewalks or or anything, so it's a shareable road with these massive truckers. And we're down to one lane on both sides, so this is gonna be fun. So if you want to see me risk my life, now is the time to watch the video. I'm gonna try to speed it up here a little bit faster so I don't die. They're still working on this road. They've been working on this road for too long. Like everywhere else in this country, they started a million projects at once. Check here with these barricades. So, as long as we don't get a flat, it should be all good. It's early enough, and it's Labor Day. The road's not that busy. That's a plus. Okay. So far, so good. Pretty empty. I think we're gonna be just fine. Looks like it was a false alarm on my end. Looks like we're gonna be all good. Still gotta look out for traffic. People drive like maniacs. Like that lady. She's speeding to go nowhere. Alright. Almost there. We just gotta cross the street here. Should be alright. Below this red light. No reason of hanging around. Look at our gas prices. $3.96. It's not that bad what it was not too long ago. Okay, we're pretty safe now. Here's where the other trail begins on that light coming up. Goes through the Joliet campus. Alright, we're at the Joliet campus entrance at the Rock Run Trail. They got a solar farm over there in the distance. I don't think you can see it, but it's right there. We got the floor here. Should we attempt this? They put up these boards because I think they're working on these power lines. Let me try to attempt this. Not the best idea, but so far it's not that bad. I'm trying to avoid these bigger. Wasn't the best idea. Hopefully I can get out. Okay. We are gonna get out of this. What does it say here? It doesn't say anything. Let me jump this curb. Welcome to the Joliet campus. fun fact about Joliet College is that this is the first campus in the whole United States that, okay, let me try to rephrase that. This is where community college began. Joliet Junior College is where it all started. And everyone else started copying these community colleges. So if you didn't know, now you know. All right, this wraps up the video. I'm running low on storage. I'm gonna bike back. I still got another probably 7 miles. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe, follow. And if you didn't, like this video. Hit that like button. Helps me out a lot, guys. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.